Where are we?
Marrakech.
In Marrakech. Hello. Marrakech.
One.
Hello, YouTube. We have a guide to get you to the hotel in the old city. It's called Medina. We bought bread for 1 cent. We're going to our hotel and the roof is so tiny. We are in the desert having dinner on sunset. Good morning! We are back and next adventure we're going to waterfalls. Waterfalls!
Donkey.
Before our hug. We are at the second tallest waterfall in Africa. From this guy. He's free.
Hospitality, have some tea, you feel welcome in the house, and later I'm gonna explain to you about information. Things to build. We use only earth, bamboos, earth. So like this, it keeps traditional. And maybe you had stayed sometime, sometimes in a Riad is a traditional stuff. Is an idea coming from the Berber culture. Normally, we don't get not certificated until 2011. We get to be certificated languages, the Berber languages. Maybe you're gonna say it in administrations in Morocco. Understand? I think it's enough.
I'm wearing your blush. Gonna show you later how. Stalagmite, stalactite.
On that case, they are more safe and security. Understand? Capito Toto. Bravo.
But yes! Il y a l'animaux qui sont là-dedans. Hi. He just took the whole bag.
That guy, smart. He just got robbed by a monkey.
He took bag. Look at this.
Bad monkey.
Oh. Babe, come.
This is our kiddo. Oh, look at
Oh, hello. Oh!
Sorry, madam. No. There's mother. They're coming for your love. Oh, it's like a war.
Today experienced a great tragedy. I was robbed by a monkey. And we are back to Marrakech after 3 more hours of traveling. Last day, first dinner in Morocco, because we've been exploring so much that we haven't been in the city, and now we are in a small alleys trying to find the restaurant. I think we're lost. Last day exploring Marrakech, we came to Le Jardin Gardens, which is a botanic garden in the middle of Medina, which is so pretty.
I'm also here.
Which means
Pool?
no.
No.
I mean
Fountain.
water. Good. Fountains. Okay, fontaine. Because fountains in the past for which purpose? To do what we call in Arabic or in English the evolution. For example, if you want to pray for Muslims, they wash their face, their elbow, everything to be prepared to the prayer. Evolution is evolution. And garden, courtyard. The fourth one, high walls surrounded without windows. That's why if you stay in a Riad inside, it's very peaceful. But outside, crazy with motorbikes.
Yeah.
There's a joke in Marrakech, they say in Marrakech there's 1 million inhabitants and 10 million of motorbikes. Everyone has like 10 motorbikes. You know, there's limit to building. No one can build higher than 3 floors here in Medina, except mosques and palaces. Outside of the wall, we can find what you call New City. The French part, the classic French. That's why it's called Église. If you speak French for sure, they said that it was a mispronounce of the word Église, church. Église, okay? New City, 1912, but the Medina was found when? 11th century, 11th century, 1071, 1071. Marrakech is the second oldest city. After we see, do you know what's the oldest? Rabat is the fourth one. Fez? Yeah, they said it, yeah, Fez is the oldest. Then Marrakech, then a city, but it's not touristic, I think most of it. If you know the cities like Casablanca is near. Near Fez. Berber. Meknes. You know this city?
No.
For me, I prefer Meknes than Fez, but I don't know why Meknes is not touristic. Meknes is a lot of things to see. Near Fez. Okay? Meknes, Fez, Rabat. These 4 cities, we call them in Morocco, Liville and Terre, the imperial cities. They were capitals of Morocco. Let's talk about this room. Here we have
Oh, it's so beautiful.
mountains everywhere. Marrakech in a valley. Don't you feel it? Mountains.
So we said that we want to live where?
In a Riad.
In Riad. We want to have our Riad with fountain.
What makes a Riad? There's 5 things.
Water, which is fountain.
Fountain, yeah.
The courtyard, garden.
Inside garden, yeah.
Side garden.
That's 2.
The walls.
Walls.
Yeah, there should be walls around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The big door.
The door. And what's the last thing? The house itself?
I don't
No?
remember the 5th thing either.
What was the fifth? A courtyard, garden, water.
No, garden and courtyard is the same
It's
thing.
the same.
Yeah.
The walls, the door. Well, the house itself. It's a house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I think we need to Google that before giving you fun facts about Riad. But follow for more. Next trip.
Follow for more.
Where's the next trip?
To YouTube. Yeah.
Does it fit my hat?